Good morning, everyone. Here I am going to explain part 2, Understanding Media. This is a chapter 6, Civics, class 7. In part 1, I already discussed about the meaning of media and changing technology with money and where we are required the money in media. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the role of media in democracy. What is the role of media in a democracy? Media plays an important role in the democracy. It enlightens and empowers the people. Access the information is essential to the health of the democracy for two reasons, and there are as follows. It ensures that citizens make responsible, informed choices rather than acting out of ignorance or misinformation. Information serves as a check by ensuring that elected representatives uphold their oaths of office and carry out the wishes of those who elected. It is in providing this information that the media plays an important role. Media can present a balanced report only when media channels is independent. It should not be under the control and influence of anybody in the coverage of its news. In most democracies, laws have been enacted to give ample freedom to the journalists and ordinary citizens to access information on the democracy. Already I have discussed many of the things in this slide. Once again, I am going to revise. Media plays a significant role in democracy. It provides news and discusses events that takes place in in the country and the world. It is on the basis of this information we come to know how the government works. The information that media plays should be balanced. What do you mean by balanced report? A balanced report is something one that discusses all points of view of a particular story and then leaves it to the readers to make up their minds. Now, next important term is what do you mean by independent media? Independent media is that which are having a right to balance report. Hence, it necessary for media to be independent. But the reality is that media is far from independent. That is not having full independence to write, to show any kind of news. Therefore, there are two reasons behind it. The first is the control that the government has on the media. When government has a control on media, then it means they are not having power, media is not having power to show anything independently, where the government prevents either a news item or scenes from a movie or a lyrics of a song from being shared with a larger public. This is known as the censorship. Again, I'm going to explain the meaning of censorship. Censorship is that the government has the power to disallow media from publishing or showing certain stories. This means that the government can censor media. Government has control on the lyrics, on the song or words or any scene of a movie, that government has full control on that. While the government does continue to censor films, it does not really censor media's coverage of news. Despite the absence of the censorship by the government, most newspapers do not provide balanced report. They do not show each and everything on the news. It has been found out by the persons who research media that business houses control media. It means that media is not fully independent. Not only this, but also media sets agenda. It means media has to decide what stories to focus on and therefore decide on what is newsworthy. Media should focus on news issues that are significant in our life, but very often it fails to do so. Like cricket, fashion shows are very popular with the media. Media ethics and accountability. Most of the newspapers and masses of the channels carried reports or presented data on the rising level of seas and melting of the glaciers of a rapid rate. Some of the channels they show these things, but they do not show why these are increasing repeatedly. The areas that are most prone to such changes have been covered in the reports. However, at a number of places, the media has failed to fulfill its responsibilities. Like example, many TV channels tend to focus on stories related to the films, important celebrities, and their lives. Some even present great details of the fashion shows conducted in the cities. At the same time, the burning issues of the farmer committing suicide goes unnoticed. These type of things they do not show on the TV channels, but they are showing these type of things on the TV channels. It means they are not having a proper balanced report. That's it. Thank you so much. Please listen the video carefully and understand the important terms of the chapter. Thank you so much.